Hello, how you doing? Not going to keep you long today. Just going to make a really easy bean salad. So at the back I'm using 3 types of beans. I've got some black-eyed peas, some red kidney beans and some chickpeas. Now I'm using these from a can. If you're using from a can, give them a nice wash in some cold water, rinse them through really nicely. I've got a little bit of chili, I've got some bell peppers, I've got onion, tomato, I've got some chopped parsley, grated carrot, spring onions or green onions, and I've got some chopped mint. Fresh, these 2 fresh herbs. Lovely in the mix. If you want, you could use some cilantro or something like that. And of course, if you wanted, add some other vegetables. I'm just using this selection. We're going to get that in a bowl, give it a mix. I'm going to make a really simple dressing for that. Okay, large mixing bowl. As you can see, I've got 2 of my beans in. A little bit of chili, optional. Then I've got those chickpeas, bell peppers, give it a nice colour. That fresh parsley, flat leaf parsley, that's delicious. In goes that grated carrot. Then we're going to go with some fresh mint. I love that in there, really lovely, lovely flavour. And then 2 types of onion, green onions, nice and mild. And then some red onion, a bit stronger. In that goes, I've sliced that one, and some chopped tomatoes. So easy. Give that a mix, see you in a moment. Lovely little mix on that, some wonderful vibrant colours in there. Let's make some salad dressing. Okay, so simple as can be on this dressing. So I've got equal parts of olive oil and lemon juice, about 3/4 of a cup there. Then I've got some garlic chopped, and I've got some mild mustard, about a tablespoon. We're going to get that in a bowl, give it a mix, salt and pepper, done. Okay, so I've got a mixing bowl there, put my mustard in, going to get in that garlic, chopped garlic. Then we're going to go equal parts lemon juice, or lime juice is really nice as well, and olive oil, equal parts to the lemon juice. Little bit of salt, little bit of black pepper. We're going to give that a mix, and then we're going to pop that over our salad, and that's it. Okay, so there you go, could not be easier. There's our lovely little vinaigrette, over that goes. We're going to give that a mix, and we are complete. You've got a nice kind of 3-bean salad there, super easy, super tasty. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.